When I first started making soap, there were resources everywhere, like fly safety over here, water discount over here, using clays and essential oils over here. And it was just so overwhelming. And although I really appreciated all the free resources, because I'm definitely self taught and like y'all came through experienced soapers there, I really wish like I had the opportunity to really talk to a professional soaper one on one while I was going through this. It was just not easy. And it's like, yeah, you can leave a comment on their video, but I mean, if they're anything like Royalty Soap, she got millions of comments. You think she saw yours? She ain't see mine. I'm just saying she didn't see mine, but that's okay. I still love you, Katie. So I want to be more of that medium resource for you guys. I am not as big as Katie with Royalty Sews, by no means at all. Hopefully one day I'll get there, but not today. So I just want to be what I really wish I had when I had first started soaping. So like a one-stop shop resource. I have a handcrafters membership that you can join. There are 3 levels. First level is just if you want to be able to chat and get some recipes here and there. Second level is for more recipes, more videos, more resources like printed documents and ebooks. The third level is for those individuals that want to not only just make soap, but they also want to sell it. So I have more things that are geared towards selling soap and just the business and the art of it all together. So those 3 memberships you can, or there's 3 levels to the membership, but you can join any level. A lot of people start with the free level. In fact, everyone has started with the free level and none of them have, elevated up. But there's that option for you. I also have a free soap making course. That course it has just a 5 step or a 5 ingredient recipe. So it's just very simple and easy for you to start, and you can do it at your leisure because it is a pre-recorded course. So joining me, you'll have options or access to that. And I'll show you guys on my YouTube channel as well as on my TikTok and my Instagram on where to find these different things because they're all links that are a part of my link tree. But YouTube is not a part of the link tree, it's just like a bunch of links. I do include them in the descriptions of all my videos, but then if you go to my profile, I'll show you guys here. If you go to my profile, you'll be able to see, you can click on the links and you'll see all. I have 9 links because I be doing the most. So you'll see all the different resources that you can click on. So I have the free course. I also have a soap of the month club. So if you're interested in getting like a unique recipe every month, as well as instructions, detailed instructions on how to make the soap bar, and then just a unique soap bar for you to try without actually spending the money on the resources or the oils and butters to make it, soap of the month would be good. And let me tell y'all, this one is like a bargain. I don't know why people are sleeping on it. It is $12 to join the soap of the month club. Soap bars are currently going at $9. When you add in shipping, you're looking at about $14, $15 for one soap bar. However, with the Soap of the Month Club, you pay $12. That includes shipping. You do have to pay sales tax because, listen, Florida wants their money. But after you pay the sales tax, that is literally all you pay, and you'll get that soap bar, you'll get the recipe, and you'll get the instructions on how to make it. So I'm telling y'all, the Soap of the Month Club is a bargain. And it is seasonal, meaning that I use oils and butters that cater to the different seasons that we're in. The seasons do kind of gear around Florida. Listen, we got hot and hotter, but we have our cold moments. So I have soap bars for that too. I also, so I have the Soap of the Month Club, I have the free course, and then I also have an live interactive course. Now, this is really good too because I don't think that there are any other soapers that do this, to be honest. At least I haven't seen it. If I'm wrong, y'all can put it in the comments. I know y'all will call me out. So you could put it there, but it is pretty much an opportunity to make soap with me live because obviously we're in different locations, but you'll be able to ask questions. I won't say it's one-on-one, but it is sort of because I'm not going to allow more than 4 or 5 people to attend, and it would just be like 5 or 6 of us that are on this private live stream where no one else can see it, and we'll be able to see each other and we'll be making the same soap bar. So you'll be able to ask questions in live time in case you have them. And it'll be good to be able to do that with an experienced soap maker. So you'll get the opportunity to do that. I also have local classes, which is sort of the same setup, except it's local. So it's not going to be live. We go all be in the same room together, sharing the love and making some beautiful soap bars. So you have that option. It also comes with a frequently asked questionnaire, which is 100 questions answered, like commonly asked questions. Then there's also going to be 2 soap recipes that you'll get. So that's a really good bargain as well. And if you join my waitlist, you'll get a coupon code to join to add that to the soap things that you can do. The other thing that I have is, like I said, the in-person one, which is the same type of setup. So you can definitely check that out as well. As far as this channel goes, because this channel itself is a huge resource. But before I tell you about the channel, let me tell you about my website, because like my website has a lot of resources too. I'll show you that here. But like on my website, I have a page that's catered to soap making resources. I'll be giving a tip every month that goes with my handout newsletter, which is like my email newsletter. So definitely when you go to my website, you can subscribe and it's free. You're just giving your email address and you'll get a monthly email from me. And like, trust me, you may not get more than 2 emails a month from me. I'm just being real because life is busy. But you will definitely get that monthly newsletter email, which is, I call it the monthly handout because I'm handing out information to you. So definitely check that out. Obviously, it's free to join that. Then I also have like just a section that is just dedicated to resources, the soap making course that I mentioned. All of that is going to be there. So it's a good thing. It's a good place to just check out, just to bookmark my website. Bookmark it, y'all. I also do a sub session, which I'll show that here, where you can call me and have like a 30-minute conversation with me about whatever issues that you have going on with soap making. So again, that's another opportunity that I did not have, that I don't know that is even offered, to actually speak to an experienced soap maker. So I think that's a really good resource for you as well. Now, as far as this YouTube page is going, I'm going to be posting, uploading every Monday and every Friday. Monday is going to be about the art. So everything soap related, all the pretty things, all of like the way I label my soaps, like how I get this, which, you know, you guys can check the Amazon storefront or the Walmart storefront for a lot of these things. So I'm just going to be talking about the art of soap making, everything about the small business of running the soap, you know, the running of the soap business as a small business. So everything small business, everything art related will be on Monday. Friday will be all about the artist. And not just me, but the artist and you as well. So self-care is something that I have come to really appreciate and value, and realize that self-care is not being selfish. It's being selfless, because you are building yourself up so that you can be better for others. And listen, it took me a long time to really like grasp an understanding of that and appreciate the value in self-care. So that's what Fridays will be about, just ways to uplift you and encourage you to really take care of you, because I'll miss you if something were to happen to you. And I hope that you would miss me too. Listen, we are building a family here. So I hope that you guys will come along for the journey, subscribe, make sure you watch my videos, help me get my watch hours. Like, we could be a real legitimately like virtual soap making family / small business. I'll call you guys handcrafters because I adore the fact that you make things with your hands, and we'll make the best of our time here. So if you're interested in something like that, make sure you guys subscribe and check out the video here. Bye-bye.